I've been really excited about this product. Hello everyone. Today we're opening the Storyteller Play Kit from Lovevery. If you don't know Lovevery, it's a toy subscription that sends toys to your front doorstep every 3 months. And everything inside is tailored to your child's specific age and needs at that age. It's amazing. I've been using these for my boys since they were born. I love it so much. I have a full review on my blog talking about how much it costs, what comes inside of it, any questions that you might have about it on my blog. You can find a link to that in the description below. I did want to just share with you what's inside a box, and if you're curious what's inside this specific, the Storyteller Play Kit, it's 40, 41, and 42 months old. Lovevery does play kits up to 3 years old. Even though it's up to 3 years old, my boys are 4, they still play with the majority of these toys and love them. So let's open this box. Every Lovevery box comes with a really cute book, kind of going along the theme of the monthly box. This book comes in every Lovevery box and it's awesome. I really recommend you sitting down and looking through it all instead of just tossing it aside, because it really shows you how to use the box. And once kids start to get bored with toys, it then elaborates how to use the toy in different ways and just get the best use out of your toys. Also, they come with little more activities and ideas of things that you can do with your kids at this specific age. Remember to do a little fun activity, and with these popsicle sticks and learning letters, it just gives you more ideas and fun things that you can do with your kids at home. It's amazing, and there's a back side as well. My boys are loving puzzles right now, so I'm really excited about this. Okay. This, you guys, I am so excited about. This is a mop, and it really works. And my boys love helping me clean around the house, so I've been really excited about this product. Really clean, and you can put some water in here, so I'm really excited about this. This box also includes a fort building kit with sticks to build forts, and here is the blanket, the cute little puppets that come, so you can do like a puppet show with the fort that you built.
Okay. Okay.
Right here.
Yep. Wait, I'm gonna do these clips, okay? This is gonna be so fun.
I'm super excited for my boys to try this out. I think it'll be really fun. If you have any more questions about Lovevery, you can see my full blog review in the description below.